Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use essence stones on Whiteout Survival. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. So without further ado, let's get on it. So first, what you can do is you bear hunt. So bear hunt is an event where the alliance needs to set traps to capture this raging bear. So the trap lasts for 30 minutes. So you should catch and kill the beast before time runs out. You must deal at least 325 to 745k damage to get to these stones in the Whiteout Survival Bear Hunt event. So if your alliance cannot set the trap, that is because they have not yet reached level 5. And players can raise their alliance's level by making timely contributions, taking part in rallies, and getting more alliance resource spots under the banner. And then next, what you can do is to purchase essence stones from Mystery Shop. So this facility sells various items that players can purchase using Mystery Badge. So the Mystery Badges are collected from final chest of daily missions. You can also purchase Mystery Badge packs from Pop-Up Center in exchange for real denominations. And then next, Foundry Shop. So the Foundry Shop resets every few days and offers a variety of items. So this shop uses Arsenal tokens as exchange currency, and players can obtain these Arsenal tokens from the Foundry Battle. So the winning alliance gets more Foundry Battle rewards, but only the top 20 alliance can join the event. And then lastly, what you can do is get essence stones in White Survival in the VIP shop. So VIP shop sells items for gems. So gems are easily obtainable and gathered from daily missions and growth missions, but there is a condition you need to fill in for using this method, and that is you can only buy items present at your VIP level. And this stones appear at level 10 of the same, and achieving this is going to take a lot of time. So players are recommended to focus on previous three methods. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.